Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. First step, let's write this as 4 raised to power x over 10 equals to this side is 18 over 1. And we cross multiply here. 4 raised to power x times 1, also 18 times 10. That is here, this becomes 4 raised to power x equals to 18 times 10. Then you can take the log on both sides here. That is, here we have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 18 times 10. So this follows when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. That is, here we have x log 4, which is equals to log 18 times 10 here. Then we divide both sides by log 4 here. Divide this side by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4, which implies log 4 will cancel each other here. This will have x equals to log 18 times 10 over log 4. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. So this becomes x equals to log 18 plus log 10 over log 4. Then this also follows when we have a plus b over c. Can write it as a over c plus b over c. So here this becomes x equals to log 18 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. Next step here, we can simplify this and we write 18 as 2 times 9. And also 10 here can be written as 2 times 5. So this equation becomes x equals to log 2 times 9 over log 4 plus, also here we have log 2 times 5 over log 4. So this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 2 plus log 9 over log 4 plus, here also we have log 2 plus log 5 over log 4. And let's separate this into two fractions as well. We have x equals to log 2 over log 4 plus log 9 over log 4 plus, also here we have log 2 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. Then we have log 2 over log 4, log 2 over log 4. When we add this together, just like a plus a, with the same thing as 2 times a. That is, here we have x equals to 2 times log 2 over log 4 plus, here we have log 9 over log 4 plus, here remain log 5 over log 4. Then next step here, let's write 4 as 2 square, also 9 as 3 square. Then what we have here becomes x equals to 2 log 2 over log 2 square plus log 3 square over log 2 squared plus log 5 over log 2 squared. Then apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes there, also here, then from here, also from here. We have x now equals to 2 log 2 over 2 log 2 plus here we have 2 log 3 over 2 log 2 plus this becomes log 5 over 2 log 2. So here the whole of this cancel each other. We have one left. That is x equals to 1 plus here 2 cancel each other here. We have log 3 over log 2 plus here can write this as 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. Then applying change of base when we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. So here we have x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then we can bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to the SCM here, we have 2. Imply this 1 over 1. As this becomes 2 here plus here, this becomes 2 log 3 base 2 and plus here we have log 5 base 2. So we have the value of x in this problem in terms of log as 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. And also we can check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is to substitute the value of x, which is x equals to 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 here. So when we substitute, what we have becomes 4 raised to power x, which is now 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2, which is all over 2, then divided by 10 here, is equals to 18 on this side. Then don't forget that 4 same thing as 2 square. So we can write 2 square raised to power 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2, same thing as log 9 base 2 plus log 5 base 2, which is all over 2, then all over 10. Is this equals to 18 on this side? Then here, this power multiplies 2 here, we cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 2 plus log 9 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 10. This is equals to 18 on this side. Okay, and when we separate this, and write it as 2 square times 2 raised to power log 9 base 2 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 all over 10. This is equals to 18 here. Then 2 square here, that's 4. And this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. So this is the same thing as 9 times 5 over 10. Is it equals to 18 on this side? And 5 goes here 1, 5 goes in 10, 2, 2 goes here 1, 2 goes in 4, 2. And 2 times 9, that's 18, which is equals to 18 here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that the value of x here, which is 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2, satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video with those and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.